want to go outside. Hold properly, ha? Where?
Did you eat it?
Where? Who eat it?
Did you eat it, Daddy?
No.
Why?
Where are we going?
Let's carry a heavy wood.
Hmm.
Heavy wood is over there. You did not good.
Clean your car, Bio, ha? When Daddy go to Saudi, ha? Help Mommy to clean this car, ha? Okay?
Ow! Impossible. Ah! No duck.
Huh?
No duck.
What do that?
No.
Ah. Down, down. Down, Bio.
Why?
Down. Because you go other.
Because I cannot fit.
Yeah.
Looking for.
Hmm. Looking for
We're
side.
gonna build a house over here.
Yeah.
Why?
This is Bio's place.
Gonna build a house over here.
Yeah. You want to build here a house, other house.
So that Daddy have a house over here.
Yeah. And Bio house, here Daddy house. That's why Daddy go to.
It's Saudi.
Yeah.
Because we didn't make house here yet.
Yeah. Only here.
It's already true.
Yeah. Daddy and Bio.
Yeah. And then, wait, what is that?
It's guava.
It's guava,
This one's guava.
but that is poison.
Not this one.
No, that is not poison.
This is limoncito.
Here, the around and then around,
Huh?
the round. The round where?
What?
Where?
Where what?
Where limoncito?
This one limoncito. But there is no fruit.
Why there is no fruit?
Not yet bear fruit.
So mom did not put fruit yet.
Yeah. Oh, it's raining.
And then yeah. Duck. Duck, Daddy, duck.
Duck.
Fighting this over here.
Yeah.
On the dark forest and then on the ground. But did you already kill the baby poison spider?
Yeah.
The big poison spider have
Yeah.
1,500
Meh. Kawin, meh. Meh. How many got?